machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng. Jotend kweth mapingo piny owacho kotelnegi kod jaod bura ma DAPK Eugene Wamalwa oseo okang' mager monj manyotimne jaod bura kata seneta ma Vihiga Godfrey Osotsi. Osotsi nyomonji gi kweth jonjore moko e magawa moro e boma ma Kisumo. Jotelogo dwaro mondo otim nonro mapiyo mar mondo mi okaw ndamo mager ne jok mibi yudi kod keth makamano. Seyogo bende obiw ne josiasa miseyo giwuondo jopiny ni monj mane otim ne Osotsi ne en kaluwore gi weche mag hera.
Osotsi will recover. Why he attacked him? The man said, "You threw me out of a kangaroo NDC of ODM. Nimekubali. Sitaki hata kuzungumza hiyo maneno. This is not the only political party in the country. Why then go on and attack him?" So the country stands in solidarity with Senator Osotsi. And we want to see, I think, as today Senator Manzo and Kalwale are here. I don't know whether you're going to call for a special sitting, yeah, discuss as a matter of urgent national importance, a motion of adjournment both in the Senate and in the National Assembly. Because if you don't do this, today is Osotsi, tomorrow is you, Kwanza Galalo, where they are targeting you.
So let's not tribalize this thing and let's not trivialize it. It is a menace that is going to affect us and the coming general election if it's not addressed now. Goonism is a threat to our security, is a threat to our democracy.
We want to see them in court, and in fact, this is attempted murder on Osotsi. And the goons should not be charged with a lesser offense. And in the worst case scenario, for those young people being misused